lifestylers. I am out running some chores right quick, and I decided I needed to get a couple of items from Walmart. So I'm gonna run in and grab the items that I need. But I also thought it'd be a great opportunity for me to kind of see what Walmart has in stock for spring, since it's going to be starting tomorrow. I thought, well, that would be a great opportunity to just kind of see what they had on stock. I've seen some other YouTubers that have posted some really cute bunnies for Easter. And so I wanted to stop by my local Walmart just to see if they had some. So I decided it'd be a great opportunity for you to come along with me. So let's go. So as you can see, Walmart really had some really cute little items still left. I was surprised that they had as much as they did because we're getting really close to Easter. However, some of the items were really cute. Of course, if you like anything about this video, please hit that like button and let me know what your thoughts are. I would love for you to put your comments down below so that we can communicate back and forth. And tell me some of the things that you've been able to find that you think are really cute. I would love to know what you've got. And if this is your first time joining me on this channel, please hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to be a part of the lifestyle family, to see what we're going to be doing in the future, and just kind of tag along as we go on this journey of home decor, real estate, designing, interior design, just all aspects of life, family, and faith. So definitely hit that subscribe button. And to the people who have already subscribed, you know how I feel about you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Okay, so as I stated, I was only going to be at Walmart for a quick second, and I was. They had a few items. I'm really looking for a statement bunny, so I didn't necessarily find what I was looking for, but I did find a garland of carrots that is a neutral color. If you kind of know anything about my channel, I will kind of keep it neutral and I'll add in pops of color. That allows me to be able to have more of a variety. Turn the radio down. That will allow me to have more of a variety and be able to do more. Um, I'm going to run by Hobby Lobby really quick just to go in and see what they got, and then I will go from there. So you've taken a little bit of a shop with me tour. You've helped me look at some things at Walmart, some things at HomeGoods, of course at Hobby Lobby, which I've thoroughly enjoyed. And look at this one. It's so cute. It's not what I'm really looking for, but isn't it cute? I love that one. If you like this video and anything that you've seen today, please hit that like button below. And then if this is your first time watching and joining me on this channel, please hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to be a part of all that we're doing here on Lifestyle with Latasha. And going forward, if there's anything that you want to see or you're interested in seeing, please put it in the comments below. I would love to engage with you and see more and hear more about what you're interested in. In the meantime, I want to thank you for stopping by Lifestyle with Latasha, of course, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Happy Easter and happy spring, everybody. Take care.